Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use 17TRACK tutorial and review. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on 17TRACK, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, 17Track is an all-in-one package tracking platform that you can use, and it is a built-in Shopify application. So yeah, in order to use it, you may need a Shopify. So yeah, if you have Shopify and you want to track your page or track your orders or package, you can use 17Track. So now what you're going to do is to go to your Shopify store first and log in with your account, and after you log in and you go to your dashboard, you may need to, of course, install the 17 track application, this one, in your Shopify and integrate it. So in order to do that, you can just go to this left side right here and click add apps. And right there, just click Shopify App Store right here. And you will be redirected to this page. And you can just search 17 track right here. And after that you will see it, so you can see right here, this is it, 17 track order tracking, and you can just click install, and you will be redirected to this page. So now you will need to install it, so it view your personal data and view and edit your store data. So you just need to agree with this one, and as you can see, there's some unsupported features. So this app is not compatible with markets, which may affect how some features work and lead to incorrect behavior. And yes, so now I'm going to install it. And after installing it, I'll be redirected to this page. So I'm just going to pin this to my navigation, so I would not be I will get into it easily. So as you can see, over 90% coverage across global carriers. So just click continue. Also, it reduced consumer compliance by over 75%. And also, each order adds over 4 consumer revisits on average. And just click continue. So as you can see, it says welcome to 17 track. So I have unlocked a full 1 week trial of the freemium features. And after the trial period ends, you can continue using the pre-plan or continuous suitable subscription. So now I will start my tracking journey now. And as you can see, if I get started with 17 track, there's a 3 steps that I need to or that I can do. So as you can see, I can manage my shipment. I can enable my auto email a notification to send tracking updates to consumers and anomaly alerts to merchants. And yes, I can easily install the tracking page to the header or footer of my store with just one click. That allows customers to track their page within my store itself. So yes, it's actually very good. So this is the dashboard of the 17 track. You can see all of the status. For example, the order delivered, non-delivered order, alerts, and undelivered orders. And also there's a graph that you can use to manage your shipments that has been delivered and undelivered. And also the tracking page, the page views, page visitors that that uh your store receive upon installing the 17 track, and the notification, etc., etc. You can see all of this information right here. So now let's go to the shipment first. So it has 6 sections, so we will get into it each by each. So let's go to shipments first. So in shipments, as you can see, so this is where you can see all of the shipments that you made or your store made and by your customers. So for example, this is the shipments of the orders from my customers, and as you can see, there's a tracking number. So this is a sample only, but you can see the tracking number, the order info, the status, whether it's delivered, non-delivered, alerted or not, or substatus, if it's returned to the sender, latest event, the PayPal status, the origin carrier, and the destination. So you can see all of this information right here. So if you have or so all of the orders that has been made by your customers and the shipments, it will be listed right here with their according tracking number. So if your orders has been not synced, you can just sync orders right here to sync all of the orders. And as you can see, you can sync your orders by a date range. So for example, we want to sync your orders from your customers from 7 days ago. So you can just click confirm, and all of the orders that has been made 7 days ago will be listed right here. And yes, that's it for the shipments. So for the tracking page, so this is where can edit my tracking page itself. So as you can see, this is my tracking page. This is the default tracking page, and if I want to edit it, I can just click customize, and I will be redirected to the editing page. So as you can see, this is the default theme or templates for my tracking page. So if my customers want to track their page, they can just click a link and they will be redirected to this uh, tracking page, and I can just edit this one. So as you can see, I can check these options. If I want to enable tracking number or order number, it's up to me. If I want to enable phone number, yeah. So if I enable it, there will be a drop down a box options that will appear that lets the customers choose between email or phone number. And for the title, I can just also change it. For example, track your orders here, like that. So as you can see, if also I can change the text alignment and also the button text. So yeah, you can't edit all throughout the way. So I think you can edit the background itself, the for example the font. If you want to change the text font, I think you can edit that, but you can add more sections if you want. So you can add image or videos or product recommendation, but as you can see, it needs a pro subscription of 17 track. So for now, I am only using the free trial. So I can just add image right here. As you can see, if I want to add some, for example, sample image from my for example, my product image right here, I can just add it if I want. So right here, I can just add an image. So you can see I added an image, but yeah, if you want to add your product image, you can do so right here. Just click just add an image section. Yes, that's it. So you can edit much uh of this page right here. You can edit the background. You can't edit the fonts. You can just add videos, image, etc. Whatever, whatever. Yeah, it's up to you. But as you can see, you can change the color of the page. So you can just switch from light mode to dark mode. So if you like it on dark mode, you can just switch it to dark mode. And also you can change the color itself randomly. And also the bottom background, you can change it. Yeah. You can just you can edit the background picture itself, but you can change the button text or the button text colors and button background colors, lookup option colors, and progress bar colors. You can edit all of that. So yeah, that's it. So for the status, as you can see, this is the status page that it says, oh, your order has been delivered, etc., etc. You can also edit this one. So if you want, you can enable a map. As you can see, that's uh, points out the customers' locations or uh the shipments or the courier location, so that they can track where the courier is going. So yeah, you can enable map. and it's actually good. So yes, that's it. So also you can change the text each section. So for example, the info received, you can change it. You can change this one again, and this one. For example, you can change it for if the order is still pending. You can change the text right here, and it's up to you. And for not found, you can change also the text. And yeah, that's it. That's all you can edit right here, and it's up to you. And if you're done editing, just click save, and it will be saved. And yes, right here. So now for the protection page. So as you can see, you can protect against loss and damage delay. You can apply for worry-free a bundle. So if you apply for that, there's a zero cost to merchants, and there's customers can choose a replacement order or get cash payout, and it will reduce shipping related chargeback that can save post purchase cost and offsetting your shipment's carbon impact in its destination country. So yes, as you can see, you can save as much with worry-free purchase $4,500 per year. And as you can see, the it has a good user reviews. So it's up to you if you use this protection right here. But for the notification, you can also manage the notification. So if the info is received, you can turn this notification right here, or in transit you can offer the you also open this notifications. Yeah, it's up to you if you want to manage your notifications. But yeah, and for the returns, as you can see, the returns, the shipments that has been returned will be set or will be listed right here, and you can just manage them if you want. And lastly, for analytics, and you need to have a better subscription plan. But mostly, it's just reports about your shipments, the tracking page, and for example, the protection. But mainly the what do you call this? The shipments. If it's delivered, non-delivered, or or the return, yeah, you can manage all of this information right here, but you need to have a better subscription. Also for the billing, you can also do it, and this is where you can upgrade your uh 17 track subscriptions. For integration, you can integrate also the 17 track to your other apps. For the settings, yeah, you can just uh change some options of your 17 track right here. And now, as you can see, you need to have a basic premium features in order to go on. But what you're going to do, if you purchase a premium plan, you can now insert this application to your online store. You can just add it, go to your online store and add the application there. But since I don't have a premium subscription to this application, I can't add this to my online store. But if you have a premium subscription, yeah, you can add it right here. You can just click customize and go to your app embeds right here and embed it here. So right for now, I can only add a protection widget. So this is not exactly the track the tracking page link, so it will not show the tracking page will not show right here. It's only for protection widget. And yeah, that's it. And after you're done, after you embed the 17 track application to your store, just click save, and right here you're done. So now your customers will have the chance to track their products, their orders in your store itself. Yes, that's it. That's how you can use Shopify 17 track application. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.